In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a view template from a view in Revit. If you've ever tried to tweak a view and found a lot of settings grayed out, it's usually because a view template is in control. Templates are great for consistency across a project, but sometimes you need to break away for a one-off presentation, a quick check, or a unique detail. Here's how to do that cleanly and confidently. Start by opening the view you actually want to adjust. This can be any view type: floor plan, section, elevation, 3D, you name it. Make sure it's the active view on your screen so any changes you make affect the right place. Next, look to the Properties palette. This is where Revit lists all the settings for the current view. If you don't immediately see it, it may be collapsed or hidden. Expand your workspace or bring the palette back so you can access the view's properties. Now scroll through the Properties palette until you find the parameter labeled View Template. If a template is applied, you'll see its name there, and that's the reason many of your graphics or visibility settings may be locked. Click the drop-down menu right next to the View Template parameter. This opens the list of templates that could be assigned to the view. At the very top or within that list, you'll see an option labeled Go ahead and select. The moment you choose, the template is removed and the view reverts to its individual settings. That means most of those previously locked or grayed out options like visibility, graphics overrides, detail level, or view range become editable again, giving you full control just for this one view. This change affects only the active view. It won't impact other views that still use a template. A few tips as you work. Make a mental note of which template was applied before you removed it, in case you want to reapply it later for consistency. If you find yourself making the same manual changes in multiple views, consider updating the actual template instead of working view by view. And remember, removing a template is best for special cases. For broader project standards, templates save time and reduce errors. That's all there is to it. Open the view, locate the view template parameter